Hello, my name is Nurul Shami binti Razali. My matrix number is 05 DPM 20F1017.
Hello, my name is Izan Zafira binti Muhammad Sumardi and my matrix number is 05 DPM 20F1021 and we will presenting about global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is the average temperature of Earth has increased since 1950. Until now, the temperature continuing increasing. It also refers to the climate change that caused the increase of the average temperature. However, global warming are caused by the natural event and also human that are believed to be contribute to increase the average temperature.
The causes of global warming. Global warming is a serious and is not a single issue but a number of environmental issues. Global warming is a rise in the surface temperature of the Earth that has changed various life forms on the Earth. The issues that causes global warming are divided into two categories, include natural and human influences of global warming.
Human influence has been very serious issue now because humans do not take care of the Earth. The Earth has been changing for many years until now because it's still changing because of the modern lifestyle of human. So the first issue is Industrial Revolution. Industrial has been using fossil fuels because for the power of machine. Everything that we use is involve fossil fuels. For example, when we buy a new mobile phone, the process of making mobile phone have involved the machine and the machine uses the fossil fuels, and during the process carbon dioxide is releasing to the atmosphere. The second one is mining. During process of mining, the methane will trap below the earth. Besides, rearing cattle will also cause methane because the cattle release the form of manure. However, cattle is important because it makes the latter equally responsible for the occurrence of global warming. And the last one is the most common issue is deforestation. Deforestation is a human influence because humans have been cutting down trees to produce paper, woods, build houses or more. If humans continuing deforestation, carbon dioxide will concentrate in the atmosphere because trees can absorb carbon dioxide from atmosphere.
The effect of global warming. The greenhouse gases will stay in the atmosphere for many years, since 100 years ago. However, the effect that global warming will cause on Earth are extremely serious. There are many effects that will happen in the future if global warming continues. That includes polar ice caps melting, economic consequences, warmer waters, and more hurricanes, spread of diseases, and earthquake. First effect is a polar ice caps melting. As the temperature increases, the ice at the North Pole will melt. Once the ice melts, the first effect will be raised on sea levels because the melting glaciers become oceans. According to the National Snow and Ice Data Center, if the ice melted today, the seas will rise about 230 feet. It affects many low-lying areas such as the Netherlands. In future, the Netherlands will be covered by water once the North Pole is melted. However, it is not going to happen so fast, but the sea level will continue to rise. Another effect is the species loss of habitat. Species that include polar bears and tropical frogs will be extinct due to climate change. Besides, Various birds will migrate to other places because animals are not like humans. They cannot adapt the habitat that changes their living or temperature. Next effect is more hurricanes will occur and economic consequences will affect as well. Hurricane causes damage to houses and government need to spend billions of dollars in damage and people need places to stay or have been killed. Once a disaster happened, many people have died and diseases happen. Diseases more serious because it gets spread to other people very fast and more people will get the disease and the disease may become more serious because of different weather.
So, the solution to stop global warming, firstly, reduce gasoline. Mean we have a choice to choose hybrid car that reduce using gasoline. Besides, petrol prices are increasing. If a person every day drive to work and they need to pump petrol for 3 days and it causes carbon dioxide. Another way to reduce gasoline is take public transport or carpool to work. It can help reduce carbon dioxide and save costs. The second one is recycle. Recycle can reduce garbage by reusing plastic bag, bottle, paper, or glass. For example, when we buy food, we can use our own container instead of plastic bag. Another example is after we finish drinking from the bottle, we can reuse the bottle or we can bring our own bottle. If all of this is being reused, humans can reduce deforestation and help save environment. Besides, turn off electricity if unused. It can save thousands of carbon dioxide and byproducts that have energy saving because it saves cost and saves environment. The last one is humans should stop open burning, such as burning dry leaves or burning garbage or more. It will release carbon dioxide and toxic if burning garbage with plastic. Besides, government should reduce deforestation because the earth temperature are increasing. We can also plant trees because trees will help to improve the temperature on earth.
As a conclusion overall of this assignment, I have understood that our earth is sick. We humans need to heal the earth. Global warming have causes many problems for humans, but we humans who make global warming happen. Many people have died because of disease or disaster. It also affects the economics of the country. However, we need to reduce the global warming by using less gasoline, recycle, and humans should help to reduce global warming instead of making the earth temperature increase. Our generation should start taking care of the earth because in the next generation, they will suffer if we do not reduce global warming. Therefore, global warming is a serious issue now. As a business student, we are learning it because we need to understand the effect of climate change that will affect us when we have our business and we can start saving the earth.